Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of uploading an external report for multiple test records in the test module of LIMS. To start, navigate to the test module and select all records for which you want to upload an external report. Please ensure to select multiple records related to one client or one patient only. Once you have selected the records, click on the Upload External Report option. Select an external file from your system and press Upload. The external file gets associated with all the selected records. Once the report is uploaded, you can click on the link under Reports to view the file. When uploading multiple files, we recommend that you upload the first file, release it to the client or patient, and then proceed to upload the second file. Uploading the second file without releasing the first one will result in the system replacing the previous file. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.